Hello everyone, I'm Sai and welcome back to channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about what are the major display issues you can actually get in one of this device. Yes friends, right now a lot of users are actually planning to buy one of the phone starting with the Realme X7 Max and iQOO 7 device and Mi11X device. So if you're planning to buy one of this smartphone, you may face this kind of issues. I'm not saying 100% you will face, you may. Yes, only few units and few users they did report to me that. So I thought of just sharing with all the new users who are actually planning to buy one of the device. I did write each and everything, what are the problems I came across and what are the problems even my users came across. That is the reason I thought of making this video. And one quick note, I'm not against any kind of company or any kind of phone at all, so don't get me wrong friends. I'm just trying to show you all the facts and what is happening with these devices in terms of the display, and I'm not saying this will happen 100%. I'm not at all saying, I'm just saying this can happen. So if it doesn't happen in your phone, that's no problem, you will be really very happy. If it happens, definitely try to apply for the replacement as soon as possible. So let's get started friends. That is the reason I'm trying to say you. So if you see these problems, try to apply for the replacement as soon as possible. Don't waste your time. As soon as you get one of this device, try to check these problems. Let's start with the first phone, which is a Realme X7 Max. The Realme X7 Max is facing one of the problem, which is a line in video. For example, whenever you watch a video, there will be a small line which will divide the video into two parts. It did happen in my unit as well. Once after reading everything, I'll try to show you each and everything what is the problem in detail. So next is a 120Hz will not work in this Realme X7 Max in some applications. Yes, 120Hz, for example in the YouTube and Instagram and few other applications as well, it doesn't work. Even in the games as well, Standoff 2 and PUBG, I mean Battlegrounds mobile play, you do get the 90 FPS but you cannot play. But if you want to play, you need to use different kind of trick to play it. So there's some kind of issues with the Realme UI basically. But first problem is a major problem, which is a line in video. I did upload plenty of videos, so you can check those videos in case if you want it. So next phone is a iQOO 7 device. So iQOO 7 device is suffering from major problem, which is a green tint problem. Not all the users will have this kind of green tint issue, only few users. In case if you order the iQOO 7 device, try to check for the green tint problem on the day one. If you don't know what is green tint, try to type in the YouTube. You will definitely find my videos. You can understand it better. So another thing is that you can actually find the green tint in lock screen. If you want to avoid this kind of green tint in the lock screen, you need to disable the fingerprint scanner. If you disable, only then the green tint will be avoided. But some users, they are not okay with that because we do have the in-display fingerprint scanner. The main reason for in-display is to use, not to avoid it. That is the reason, in case if you want to avoid, try to apply for the replacement and get the new phone. The problem may be solved. And next is a screen flickering. That is not the major problem, I would say. It's okay. I would say if you don't know what is screen flickering, you can find my videos. Next is low brightness. So I think this problem, a lot of users may not be aware what is low brightness. So which means if the phone gets certain temperature, for example 44 degrees or 45 degrees, the brightness will automatically decrease. Yes, it will happen only in these two phones, not in this phone. So only in these phones I did see this kind of low brightness decreasing. Yes, when I do the Genshin Impact gaming or 3D benchmark gaming in these two devices, the brightness started to decrease automatically to save the temperature. Yes, to save the phone getting heat and to save the GPU and the CPU getting heat, I can definitely understand. But sometimes you may notice this kind of low brightness problems in these two phones. So that is also a good thing as well to save the battery. That's one thing you should know. You should not get tensed what has happened to the mobile phone. So for example, let me try to show you practically. If right now the brightness is at 50%, even if I increase 100%, the brightness still shows only 50. That is the problem. And next, Mi11X also is suffering from the green tint. Not all the phones, only few phones. Okay. And next is black crush issue. So when you're trying to watch any kind of HD content or normal high clarity movies, few of the users did share the videos as well with me, and they were able to complain that they're getting some kind of black color is getting crushed in the Mi11X device. So that is what the few of the users did report me. So based upon the feedback what I got from my subscribers, that is only I'm trying to give you friends. And few of the problems even I did face personally. So from now I'll try to show you exactly what is the problem in each phone, what is the exact situation. So in the Realme X7 Max, I did say there is a line is going on. Let me just show you live proof. Let me try to enter the MX player. In the MX player, there's a couple of videos which are already loaded. So let me try to show you exactly what is happening. So you can definitely observe, you can easily observe. Right now I'm trying to play the video. You may not notice now, but let me just show you. Fast forward. Yep. Yeah. So in this way, you'll be able to understand clearly. Try to observe in this column. exactly in this area there is a one thin line is going on which is dividing the video into two offs. I'm not sure whether you will be able to notice or not this line. Yes, this appearing in not only in one video, for every video it will definitely appear. Not only in one application, in every application also it will appear. In the YouTube, in the Netflix or maybe Disney Plus or any kind of different application, you will definitely see this kind of line problem will be going on in the exactly in the middle of the video, somewhere around here. Here you will be able to see that kind of problem in this section. So this is what the line is going on in the middle. So I'm not saying, once again I'm trying to repeat friends, I'm not saying these problems everyone will face. So in case if you did not face the problem, no need to comment that I'm not facing any kind of problems, don't worry. But still few of the users will be facing. Maybe out of 100 people, maybe 2 or 3 people might face this kind of issues, but you should know. And once you find this kind of issues, please try to apply for the replacement. Don't waste the days. Yes, and if you want you can even return, but I think the return policy is very strict maybe in the Flipkart, but still, so try to apply for the replacement. Even after the applying for the replacement, there are chances that few chances you might get really good unit. That is what happened with the iQOO 7 people as well. What are the users, they did find out the green tint issue and they immediately apply for the replacement. With the replacement unit, some of the users were really satisfied. Yes, it did happen. So that is the reason friends I thought of showing you this kind of all the disadvantages and what are the problems I'm facing in the display. So as a user you should not get tensed and you should not be annoyed and you should not get paranoid. That's the reason. So on the first day, try to check all the problems in all the 3 smartphones in terms of the display. What are the issues? So if you have any other problems, let me know in the comment section below. That will be really helpful. And the final thing is the Amazon HD. So Amazon HD I was able to play in these 2 phones. In the ML NX device I wasn't able to play, but this also depends. I'm not sure why it's like that, but I did receive plenty of comments saying Realme X7 Max is not supporting and iQOO 7 is not supporting after update, and even ML NX device. I'm not sure why it's kind of inconsistent. Same model all the people are using, but different results with the Realme X7 Max and the iQOO 7 device. I'm not sure, but in my case these 2 phones are getting, and this ML NX device I'm not getting Amazon HD. That's the one thing which I thought of just mentioning for you all. So don't worry friends, there's a lot of videos which are already uploaded on this, all the problems. You can check those videos for in detail reviews. And finally, I'm not saying everyone will be facing, only few users will be facing these issues. I'm trying to stress again and again because I don't want to see the comments saying all the negative reviews I'm trying to talk, but I'm just trying to give you the all feedback about the displays. So take care friends, and again don't forget to check this on the day 1 as well and apply for the replacement. And see you in the next video friends. Until stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to comment below in case if I miss any kind of different kind of problem regarding the display. That will be really helpful. Try to comment in the description below. That will be really grateful. See you in the next video friends. Until stay tuned for more updates. Bye.